Paradise Under Watch, a shadow over Palawan. Palawan is an island paradise in the Philippines, renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. Known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters, it attracts tourists from all over the world. But a shadow hangs over this idyllic destination. Tension grips the region, casting a pall over its serene landscapes. The West Philippine Sea surrounding Palawan is a flashpoint of geopolitical tension. China's growing presence in these waters raises alarm bells among neighboring countries. What is happening in this tropical paradise? The once peaceful shores now echo with uncertainty. The recent arrest of Chinese nationals has sent shockwaves through the local community. They were caught with sophisticated surveillance equipment, raising serious concerns. This equipment was pointed directly at the West Philippine Sea, suggesting a deeper motive. Is this evidence of China's secret plan? The questions linger, fueling anxiety. Are they spying on the Philippines? The implications are profound and troubling. The incident has only deepened suspicions about China's true intentions, leaving the community on edge. The stakes are incredibly high, with military presence intensifying in the region. The West Philippine Sea is not just a body of water, it is a crucial maritime corridor. It holds immense strategic and economic importance, vital for international trade and local livelihoods. And China's actions suggest a clear ambition to control this vital maritime region, asserting dominance. The situation demands immediate attention from both local and international authorities. The future of the Philippines, and indeed the entire region, might depend on it. The world watches closely as the shadow over Palawan grows darker. Caught in the act, Chinese nationals and suspicious surveillance. The arrest made headlines. 3 Chinese nationals apprehended near Palawan. They possessed sophisticated surveillance equipment. But what were they monitoring? The equipment's target was clear: the West Philippine Sea. This incident has fueled concerns about China's espionage activities. Philippine authorities are investigating. Was this a rogue operation, or was it state-sanctioned espionage by China? The answer remains elusive. But one thing is certain. This event highlights the growing audacity of China's actions. The implications are deeply troubling. China appears to be intensifying its intelligence gathering. This suggests a more assertive approach to asserting its claims. The incident has sent a chill through the Philippines. It is a stark reminder of the challenges facing the nation. Palawan, the strategic heart of the West Philippine Sea. Palawan is more than just a beautiful island. It is a paradise for tourists, with its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush landscapes that attract visitors from all over the world. But beyond its natural beauty, Palawan is a strategic prize. Its location is key, making it a focal point in the geopolitical landscape of Southeast Asia. It sits at the edge of the West Philippine Sea, a region of immense strategic importance. This sea is a vital waterway, bustling with activity as countless ships navigate its busy lanes. It connects the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean, serving as a crucial maritime corridor for global trade. Control over this sea offers significant advantages, both economically and militarily. Trade routes pass through it, making it a lifeline for international commerce. Additionally, it holds vast reserves of oil and natural gas, resources that are highly coveted. China understands this importance. It claims almost the entire West Philippine Sea as its own, asserting dominance over the region. This claim is based on their ambiguous 9-line, a demarcation that has sparked controversy. However, this line has no basis in international law, as ruled by international courts. Despite this, China has been expanding its presence in the region, constructing new facilities. They have built artificial islands, transforming reefs and atolls into fortified outposts. They have militarized these islands, establishing military bases and installations. This aggressive expansion has raised tensions with the Philippines and other nations, leading to diplomatic and military standoffs. As a result, Palawan finds itself on the front line of this geopolitical struggle, a critical player in the ongoing conflict over the West Philippine Sea. China's salami slicing strategy, a history of incremental encroachment. This term refers to a methodical and strategic approach that China has employed over the years. China's strategy in the West Philippine Sea is calculated and deliberate. It involves a series of small, seemingly insignificant actions that, when viewed in isolation, may not appear threatening. They call it salami slicing. This metaphor perfectly captures the essence of their approach, taking thin slices of territory, one at a time. This involves taking small, incremental actions. Each step is carefully planned to avoid triggering a significant response from other nations. Each action is designed to be below the threshold of provoking a strong response. By doing so, China avoids direct confrontation while steadily advancing its position. Over time, these small actions add up. The cumulative effect of these incremental steps is substantial and transformative. They result in a significant shift in the balance of power. The gradual buildup of Chinese presence and infrastructure changes the status quo. This strategy has been effective for China. They have managed to establish a strong foothold in the region without provoking a major conflict. They have used it to gain control of features in the West Philippine Sea. These features, once considered neutral or disputed, are now under Chinese control. Features that were once undisputed are now under their control. The transformation is evident when comparing historical and current images. This strategy relies on the inaction of others. China counts on the reluctance of other nations to engage in direct conflict. China is betting that other nations will not risk a major confrontation. They believe that the desire to avoid war will prevent significant pushback. They are counting on the international community to prioritize stability. The hope is that global leaders will choose peace over confrontation. This strategy is a dangerous game. It involves high stakes and the potential for significant geopolitical shifts. It threatens the international rules-based order. The long-term implications of this strategy could undermine global stability and the established norms of international relations. Section 5. A Sea of Riches. Natural resources at stake in the West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea is not just about strategic location, it is also about resources. Beneath the waves lies a wealth of natural treasures, vast reserves of oil and natural gas. These resources are vital for the Philippines' energy security. But these resources are also coveted by China. They have already started exploring for oil and gas in disputed waters. This has led to confrontations with the Philippines. The competition for these resources is likely to intensify. The West Philippine Sea is also home to abundant fish stocks. Fishing is a vital source of livelihood for millions in the region. But Chinese fishing fleets are increasingly encroaching on Philippine waters. This is depleting fish stocks and threatening livelihoods. Section 6. Defending Paradise. How the Philippines can respond. The Philippines faces a daunting challenge, but it is not powerless. There are steps it can take to protect its sovereignty. The first step is to strengthen its military capabilities. The Philippines needs a credible deterrent. It needs to be able to defend itself against aggression. The Philippines should also invest in its Coast Guard. The Coast Guard plays a vital role in maritime security. They can patrol the waters. They can intercept illegal fishing vessels. They can provide search and rescue services. The Philippines must also strengthen its legal case. It should continue to assert its rights under international law. It should work with international partners to hold China accountable for its actions. The Philippines cannot afford to be complacent. Section 7. The Power of Alliances. Seeking international support. The Philippines cannot stand alone. It needs the support of the international community. It is crucial to build strong alliances. Partnerships with like-minded countries are essential. Countries that share a commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. The Philippines has a long-standing alliance with the United States. It remains a cornerstone of its foreign policy. The Philippines should also deepen its ties with other countries in the region. Countries like Japan, Australia, and India. These countries share the Philippines' concerns about China's behavior. They can work together to promote a rules-based order in the region. International support can help deter Chinese aggression. Section 8. Empowering Filipinos. A united front against aggression. The fight for the West Philippine Sea is not just a matter for the government, it is a fight for all Filipinos. The government should empower its citizens to play a role. They can do this by raising awareness about the issue. Educational campaigns can highlight the importance of the West Philippine Sea. They can educate people about their rights. The government can also support Filipino fishermen. They are on the front lines of this dispute. Providing them with better boats and equipment can help. Training them on their rights can also be beneficial. A united front is essential in this struggle. Section 9. A call to action. Protecting sovereignty and securing the future. The situation in the West Philippine Sea is a wake-up call. It is a call to action for the Philippines and for the world. The stakes are high. China's actions threaten not only the Philippines' sovereignty, they also threaten the stability of the entire region. The international community must send a clear message. China's aggression will not be tolerated. The Philippines must remain steadfast in defending its rights. It must continue to build partnerships, and it must empower its citizens to play their part. The future of the West Philippine Sea hangs in the balance. The time to act is now. If you want to stay updated on the West Philippine Sea, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring you more important updates.